In today's video, I'll be going over a Cardano NFT project that you guys must have a look at as soon as possible. Before I do that though, if you haven't watched my previous video, I did mention that I'm giving away $100 of Solana to 2 lucky people who subscribes to the channel, likes the video and comments down below their favorite cryptocurrency. But yeah guys, let's hop into the actual project itself. Now this project is called Football Ogres and they are releasing 5,000 football addicted ogres on the Cardano blockchain. Now I feel like this NFT project is going to be super hyped. Reason being is because it is revolving around the actual Super Bowl, and as we know already, the Super Bowl is coming up really soon, 12th of February, Sunday 2023. So essentially the Super Bowl is coming up very soon and there isn't much Cardano NFTs or just NFTs in general revolving around the actual Super Bowl. So yeah guys, I feel like this NFT project is going to be pretty hype with the right marketing and of course with the right utility and usage for this NFT project. But yeah, I'll be going over all types of information in this video that they have so far. Just to bear in mind, this is a pretty early project, so right now they are just focusing on the actual community and just getting a hold of a really good community that is of course interested in a Super Bowl NFT. Now if you do not know what the Super Bowl is, essentially it's where the best 12 teams make it to a playoff and the best 2 teams out of those 12 teams, they get to play against each other in a final, and that is essentially the Super Bowl. So it's basically equivalent to the Champions League final if you are from the UK. So this is, in my opinion, going to be a really hyped NFT project nearing towards the actual Super Bowl date itself, which is on the 12th of February. So guys, bear that in mind. Not only that guys, I believe they will be releasing the actual mint date on 1,000 followers guys, so make sure to actually get them to 1,000 followers. They are currently at 989. Now of course you guys must be looking at the followers itself and you're thinking, oh, it's pretty low, it might not be a good project. But yeah guys, they are early right now and so far their number one priority, as it says on their pinned tweet, is that they are trying to acquire a community, and a Discord will be released very soon as well as a website. But yeah, the art itself is literally insane. There is a art piece that I really like specifically that they posted on their Twitter page. This one specifically, the NFT itself just looks insane. The colors, the vibrancy and everything about it, it just looks so clean. And yeah, this one specifically they posted on their Twitter page, and I believe they do have some other pieces of art as well which you guys can actually have a look at, which is quite cool. But yeah, they have a lot of things on their Twitter page, but right now what their main priority is you know, just acquiring a community, and of course they will be revealing the utility very soon, and that is something that they are working on right now. But yeah, they have some really cool utility. I'm just going to take a educated guess right now, and they are probably going to be releasing some sort of betting utility where you guys could probably easily double your money. So this is going to be a really cool NFT project if you guys are a big fan of the actual Super Bowl. But yeah, like I said, if you are a big fan of the Super Bowl guys, then yeah, make sure to actually have a look at this project for yourself. Now not only that, they are also going to be releasing some insane announcements that are coming up, so make sure to actually follow them on their Twitter page. And they have partnered up with some big amazing teams, so you never know, some of the partners that they have actually partnered up with, you guys might be a fan of them. So make sure to actually follow along with their actual Twitter, because that is the only social media that they have currently, where you guys can actually have a look at some updates. But yeah, this is called Football Ogres. It is on the Cardano blockchain, and yeah, you guys can actually have a look at this for yourself, since nothing in this video is financial advice. And not only that guys, they have also teamed up with some other NFTs, Cardano Pokemon, and Cardano Pokemon are giving away 5 poker lists spots. And of course all you have to do is follow both Football Ogres and Cardano Pokemon, retweet and like this tweet specifically, and tag Cardano NFT friends, and you have 48 hours to do that. I'm not sure, and you have 48 hours to do that apparently, so I'm not sure if this tweet is outdated. It probably is. Well, actually it isn't, because today, at the time of recording this video, it is the 31st of January. So guys, you still have time to actually get a whitelist spot from Cardano Pokemon if you guys are interested in any sort of way. But yeah, this is a cool sort of NFT project revolving around the Super Bowl. There isn't much Super Bowl NFTs. Well, I don't think there is any Super Bowl NFTs, but yeah, it's something that hasn't really been tapped into. Well, I'm just going to be taking a hunch here. It's going to be sort of like a betting, gaming, and then a Super Bowl NFT all together in one. But yeah, that's just my guess. But yeah, so far it does look quite cool, and I definitely do see the hype around it in the next coming weeks. But yeah, have a look at this NFT project for yourself, guys. You must always do your own research, and of course you can't just take whatever I say you know, so literally. But yeah, this has been Crypto Nation, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.